Hi, welcome to the new section, an easy way to learn Python. So in this section, we are going to look at the string functions. So in this video, we are going to look at the Python string API and using basic string method. So what are the string functions are there in the Python and what kind of libraries does it supports? So for this section, I'm going to the PyCharm IDE, Integrated Development Environment. I'm going to define a variables. So here I have declared a variable science and apple, and for the science I have used uppercase science, and for the apples I'm just using the apples in lowercase. So what happens if I want to type the thing apples and apple variable, so it will come in the lowercase. But what happens if I want to convert into a uppercase? Like what should I know, what should I need to do if I want to create an uppercase? So you can just initialize a variable with using upper function apple dot upper. So this is one string function, and then you can just say so here you can see we got the before what I defined before it was apples. Now when I use the upper function, it converted into uppercase and you displayed apples in the uppercase letter. So before going ahead with a lot of string functions, let's look at the Python documentation library and what are the different string functions that are available in the library. So for this one, I'm going to the python.org website. So in this website, you can see a lot of tabs out there. Just go into the documentation and click on the Python 3.x docs, because we are working on the Python 3. Version 3.2 or 3.3 version. Just click on the Python 3.6. So here we have to go to the library reference, and here we have to click on the string. What are the common string operations? So here you can see a lot of digit, string dot digit, string dot hexadigit. So if you go down, you can see string dot upper also. So I'll just find so here you can see a lot of operations are there, like string constants and get value. Let me just search for the this uppercase letter, so we have to use upper. So let's go back and see what are the other kinds of functions that are there. So here we can use title. So here if I want to convert to the lowercase, so the science is in uppercase, I want to convert into the lower. So I'll just say science dot lower. I'll just run the program. So here it's going to convert from the uppercase to the lowercase by using the lower function. And what happens if I want to get the title? I want to get the title of the apple. So print dot, I'll just use So here if you see, the signs that you're getting is the first letter is uppercase and the rest of the thing is a normal thing. So the title gives you the title of the document. So how the title of the document, the first letter will be the capital letter and the next thing is a small letters. So that's what the title. Suppose if I want to remove the spaces, like I'll define a variable called apple, and then I will use some spaces, and then I will define apple, and then I will use tabs. I want to remove the spaces and I want to convert again apple to capital letter. First thing is I want to remove the cases, spaces, and then next I want to define it in uppercase. So I'll just use print, or I will just define it here only. So first thing is apple dot. So in order to trim the characters, we use strip function. Strip dot upper, and then I'll just use print apple. So first we are using the chaining function here. This is called chaining function. First we are using the strip function, then we are converting into the uppercase. See here, you can see first thing is it removes the spaces and it converts to a uppercase. So this is a use of chaining functions where you can use the multiple use cases for this train when you use the multiple functions at the same time. So this is what the string manipulation is, and how we can able to define different types of string functions and all those things. These are all the built-in string functions inside the Python API. If you want to refer, you can just refer to the Python library. You can see lot of other functions also. What are the string formats and all these things. So you can see in the python.org library. So there are a lot of functions out there. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take